How to link external accounts with your Capital One bank account. Let's get started. Are you looking to streamline your finances by linking external accounts with your Capital One bank account? It's easy to do and can help you manage your money more efficiently. Begin by logging into your Capital One online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section of your online banking dashboard. This is where you will find options related to managing your accounts. Look for the option to add an external account. This may be labeled as link an account or something similar. Enter the necessary details of the external account you want to link, such as the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Choose a verification method to confirm ownership of the external account. This may involve verifying small deposit made to link account or providing other authentication details. Review the details of the link external account to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the linking process. And you have successfully linked an external account with your Capital One bank account. You should receive confirmation of the linking process and you can now access information about both accounts in one place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily link external account with your Capital One bank account and take control over finances. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Capital One's customer service team. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.